Our holiday afternoon featured some snowfall, but now for tonight, things are looking much quieter. Mostly cloudy skies hanging around across much of the region, aside from a bit of clearing across northern Minnesota from Grand Forks down towards Thief River Falls, inching in on the Bemidji area, but these clearing conditions will be short-lived. We have our next chance of snow just off to our northwest that will be moving in closer and closer tonight and impacting some of us just in time for that morning commute. However, tonight roads have been improving. Where you see all of these green shaded areas, roads are back to seasonal, which includes the Fargo-Moorhead Metro and the Grand Forks area up towards the international border. Much of eastern North Dakota, though, is still seeing those roads scattered with some snow and some ice. And even though roads are indicated as seasonal, doesn't mean that some of those notoriously icy intersections are not icy tonight. Temperatures are chilly out there. It's 7 degrees in Fargo right now, but it feels like 10 below as the breeze is out of the north at 14 miles per hour. In the Northern Valley, Grand Forks is at 2 below actual air temperature, feeling like 12 below with the wind out of the north, just 5 miles per hour. It's 2 below zero as well in Hallock, 3 below in Thief River Falls, 0 degrees in Fosston, 6 in Bemidji, 10 in Valley City, 4 in Devils Lake, and 3 degrees at this hour up in Langdon. For the rest of our evening in Fargo, the clouds will hold fairly steady, temperatures falling into the low single digits ahead of that snow that will be moving in by morning. In Grand Forks, our current temperature is at 2 below zero, but as those clouds start to push in ahead of our next snowmaker, I do think our temperature is actually going to rise a couple of degrees before then falling back below zero by tomorrow morning and much of the overnight period tonight. A look ahead to your afternoon forecast tomorrow at 3 p.m. Most locations across northwestern Minnesota stuck in the single digits. 5 degrees in Roseau and Bemidji, 8 in Detroit Lakes, 6 in Thief River Falls. A bit warmer points off to the west, 12 in Grand Forks, 16 in Fargo, as well as in Valley City. In your hour-by-hour forecast, again, much of our evening is going to be quiet but cold ahead of our next snowmaker here by 8:30 p.m. starting to move in towards Harvey, Rolla, just west of the Devils Lake Basin, and it was going to move to the south and east by that midnight hour, impacting the James River Valley down towards the Ellendale area and points off to the west. Now, just like what happened last night, we could see this shift to the east more than models are indicating. That's exactly what happened yesterday. We'll be closely watching it for that to happen again for tonight. But I do think portions of the southern Red River Valley are going to be clipped by a bit of that light snow, again making for an icy commute tomorrow morning. Much of our afternoon tomorrow, though, is looking clear and cold with a mix of some sunshine and clouds. The real warm-up is going to begin overnight Tuesday and into the day on Wednesday. How about near 40 degrees for a high temperature on Wednesday with a warm front? Our breeze kicks up a bit, gusting to near 30 miles per hour, continuing into Thursday as well, and then a cold front moves through. Our temperatures will be falling all day long on Thursday, along with a few flakes from the north to the south as that cold front swings through. High pressure then dominates on Friday, bringing us mostly sunny skies, but very chilly temperatures. Our highs only topping off in the single digits. We then warm up a bit more as we head into the weekend. 14 Saturday, 17 on Sunday, but there's going to be a snow system, Mike and Andrea, setting up well to our south, but we could get clipped with a little bit of that light snow as we head into next weekend.
All right, thanks, Summer.